Life is busy, a constant whirlwind of activity. We're all juggling multiple responsibilities, trying to keep all the balls in the air. Your to-do list keeps growing. It seems like for every task you complete, two more appear in its place. Work, home, personal goals, social plans. It's a lot to manage. It piles up fast, doesn't it? Before you know it, you're buried under a mountain of obligations. You want to get it all done, to conquer that list and feel a sense of accomplishment. But where do you start? The sheer volume of tasks can be paralyzing. Distractions are everywhere. They lurk around every corner, ready to steal your attention. Your phone, with its endless stream of notifications, emails, demanding your immediate response, constant requests from colleagues, friends, and family. Maybe you lack a clear system, a structured approach to managing your workload. Or procrastination sneaks in, whispering tempting excuses to delay the inevitable. Tasks get pushed back again and again, creating a backlog of unfinished business. And the list feels overwhelming, a constant reminder of everything you haven't accomplished. It's a tough cycle to break, a vicious circle of stress and inaction. This lack of organization leads to a cascade of negative consequences. Stress, building up and affecting your overall well-being, missed deadlines, causing frustration and potential setbacks, and lost opportunities, slipping through your fingers because you were too overwhelmed to seize them. You end the day feeling unproductive, drained, and defeated, even though you were busy, constantly putting out fires and reacting to urgent requests. It's like running on a treadmill. You're expending a tremendous amount of energy, lots of effort, little progress. You're not actually moving forward towards your goals. Deep down, you know there's a better way, a more efficient and fulfilling way to live and work. You crave control and calm, a sense of order amidst the chaos. Not another complicated app or planner with endless features and a steep learning curve. Just a simple, effective method, something you can easily integrate into your daily routine. A way to focus on what truly matters, to prioritize the tasks that will have the biggest impact. Good news. Such a method exists, a proven strategy for reclaiming your time and energy. It's easier to implement than you think, requiring minimal effort and maximum results. And it can genuinely change how you manage your days, transforming you from overwhelmed to empowered. Ready to break the cycle? To finally escape the trap of endless tasks and constant stress? Let's explore the ultimate hack for getting organized. A simple yet powerful technique that will revolutionize your productivity. You don't have to feel overwhelmed anymore. There is a path to clarity and control. Let's get started and unlock your full potential. Tired of chaos? There's a way out. The solution isn't magic, it's intentionality. I call it the priority power play. It's not a complex system, but its simplicity is its strength. Easy to learn, easy to use, and incredibly effective. This isn't just another to-do list. It's a framework for making smart choices about your time and energy. It helps you work smarter, not harder. The priority power play is about sorting tasks by true importance, not just deadlines or who asked you. It forces you to think critically about what really matters. You take back control of your schedule and your peace of mind. It cuts through the noise, reduces decision fatigue, and clarifies your next step. You'll tackle the big, important tasks first. That's how you boost productivity and feel accomplished. Not all tasks are equal. Some have more impact or consequences. The priority power play helps you see this clearly. It's about choosing your focus, not just reacting to what's urgent. Most of us spend our days putting out fires, never getting to our own priorities. This method flips that script. You decide what matters most. Allocate your best energy to those tasks. It's not about doing more, but doing what counts. You'll likely do fewer things, but with greater impact. Less busy work, more meaningful progress. The goal is clarity, knowing exactly what needs your attention each day. No more staring at a jumbled list, feeling paralyzed. The priority power play gives you a simple roadmap. It empowers you to be deliberate and achieve what truly counts. That's the real power of this approach. So where do we begin? The first step in taking control of your tasks and ideas is surprisingly simple, yet incredibly powerful. It's time to get everything out of your head. Every thought, every task, every nagging reminder. All those tasks and ideas swirling around in your mind create mental clutter, a fog that obscures your focus and drains your energy. The solution? Do a brain dump. Write down every single thing on your mind, no matter how big or small it seems. Use a notebook, a notes app, whatever's easiest for you. The tool doesn't matter. Just make sure it's readily accessible so you can capture those fleeting thoughts the moment they arise. Start listing work projects, home chores, errands, personal goals, calls, emails, everything that occupies your mental space. Don't filter or organize yet. Resist the urge to prioritize or judge. Just get it all down onto the page or screen. No task is too small to include. The more complete your list, the better equipped you'll be to tackle what lies ahead. It might look overwhelming at first glance, but that's actually a good sign. It means you're truly emptying your mind. You're actively clearing mental space and reducing anxiety simply by acknowledging everything that needs your attention. This step alone can bring a sense of relief and calm. You're effectively transferring the clutter from your mind to a tangible format, whether it's paper or a digital screen. Now you're ready for the next step, categorization, where we'll bring order to the chaos. This is where true clarity begins to emerge, transforming a jumbled mess into a manageable plan. Don't worry about the length of your list. Embrace it. You're actively making space for focused action and productive work. The brain dump is your foundation, the bedrock upon which you'll build a more organized and efficient life. It's the crucial first step in the journey towards real organization and lasting productivity. You're in control now, armed with a comprehensive view of everything that demands your attention. So let's move to the next phase and start making sense of it all. Time to categorize and bring order to the chaos. Now, take that comprehensive list you've created and begin the process of sorting it into 3 distinct categories. This is where we start to prioritize effectively. First, we have the must-do category. These tasks are your absolute top priorities, critical, non-negotiable items that demand immediate attention. They are the foundation upon which everything else is built. If you don't tackle these must-do tasks, there are real, tangible consequences, or major progress on key projects will be irrevocably lost. These are the things you simply cannot afford to ignore. Think carefully about what truly belongs in this category. Consider urgent work deadlines, overdue bills that could impact your credit score, and major exams that determine your academic future. Next, we move on to the should-do category. These tasks are important, but they are less urgent than those in the must-do category. They contribute to your overall goals and well-being, but missing them today, or even tomorrow, isn't a complete disaster. There's more flexibility here. For example, consider these: responding to non-urgent emails that can wait a day or two, meal prepping for the week ahead, or starting preliminary research for a future project that's still several weeks away. Finally, we have the could-do category. These are the nice-to-haves. If and only if you manage to finish everything in the must-do and should-do categories, then you can consider tackling these. They're generally lower-impact tasks or activities that can be easily deferred to another time, like brainstorming new ideas for a project that's still in its infancy, or spending time organizing your desk and workspace. This simple 3-category filter brings order to what might feel like utter chaos. It helps you clearly see what truly matters and what can wait. You'll quickly stop wasting valuable energy and time on low-impact tasks that don't really move the needle. Instead, you can laser focus on what truly moves you forward and aligns with your goals. These categories are more than just labels. They're your guide and framework. They make everyday decision-making significantly easier and more efficient. You'll feel more in control of your time and your workload. And, perhaps most importantly, you'll feel significantly less overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks on your plate. This is the very heart of the priority power play. It's a simple system, but it's incredibly powerful in its ability to transform your productivity. So, are you ready to take action and start prioritizing like a pro? With your tasks categorized, your day is clear. Start with must-do. Items give them your best energy and attention. Tackle them when you're most alert. Each must-do checked off is a big win. Momentum builds, anxiety drops. Even if you only finish must-dos, you've accomplished what matters most. Next, move to should-do tasks. They add value, but don't stress if you can't finish them all. Progress, not perfection. Could-do tasks are optional. Tackle them if you have extra time or energy. If not, let them roll over or drop them entirely. This approach keeps you focused and productive. You'll stop feeling overwhelmed by endless lists. You'll know exactly where to put your effort. The priority power play keeps you on track. It's about working with intention and ending your day with real accomplishment. That's how you take control and make every day count. The priority power play works best as a daily habit. It's not a one-time fix. Consistency is key. Spend 10-15 minutes each day planning. Do it in the morning or the night before, whatever fits your routine. The timing matters less than making it a ritual. Protect this planning time. Be flexible. Life changes, so adjust your list as needed. The goal isn't rigid perfection, but clarity and focus. Review and recategorize when priorities shift. Celebrate your progress. Finishing must-dos is a big deal. Give yourself credit for what you accomplish. Positive reinforcement builds the habit. Organization isn't about being perfect. It's about steady, intentional progress. Make this system your own. Stick with it, and you'll see real change. Lasting organization starts with small daily steps. Meet Sarah, a freelance designer drowning in tasks. She tried fancy planners and apps, but nothing stuck. Her days were a whirlwind, always busy, rarely productive. Then she tried a simple categorization method like the priority power play. Each morning she did a brain dump and sorted tasks into must, should, and could. She focused on must-do client deadlines and critical business tasks. At first it was tough to resist distractions, but soon she started hitting important deadlines. Her clients were happier and her stress dropped. She gained clarity about her workload. She even started saying no to less important requests. Should-do items got done more regularly. Could-do tasks? Sometimes, but not always. And that was okay. Sarah finally felt in control. The priority power play was a game changer. Her productivity soared, her anxiety faded, she found balance, and she proved that simple systems can create real transformation. You can do the same. You don't need a complex system or expensive planner. The simplest solutions are often the most powerful. What you need is focus, a way to direct your energy to what matters. The priority power play gives you that framework. It's easy to start, easy to adapt, and highly effective. Try it for 1 week daily brain dump, categorize, focus on must-dos. Notice your stress drop and your sense of accomplishment rise. Adjust the system to fit your life. Remember, organization is a journey, not a destination. It's about small, consistent improvements. Progress, not perfection. You have the power to take control of your tasks, reduce your stress, achieve your goals. Take the first step today. You might just surprise yourself. Your organized life starts now.